Yo, what up, CROOKSmoto crew? So, we're over at RJ's Custom Cycles and we got a pretty cool little package to open up. So let's get this thing opened up. Right. Woo-wee. Is the Vertical Cycles 39mm Triple Trees. As you guys saw, they had a pre-sale recently. We got a set. We're gonna throw these on the chopper. These are the 1/2" drop, and they come with literally everything you see. Super sick. Can't wait to put these on the bike. Man, these look so good. For those of you that don't know, these are very limited. If you ever see another pre-sale or a sale of them, you should definitely pick them up. And if you want a set, hit up Vertical Cycles. I got mine in raw. You can get them in black too. They also had a 2" drop too, so if you had a Dyna, you wanted to raise it up, shout out to Vertical Cycles and use CROOKSmoto 15 on vertical-cycles.com for 15% off anything. All right, we got the chop right here.
2002, 2001 Sportster 1200. Got everything pulled off already.
Technically the bike should be a little taller because it's a 1/2" drop. So we're gonna play with that, but should be super easy.
Gonna grease the neck stem up, the bearings, and throw them on in, dude. We also got Ty chilling over there.
But yeah, let's get this going.
Alright, so got the bottom part of the tree pulled up. Got this little nut here. Got my little dust cap. Snug this guy down, then put the top triple on.
All right, CROOKSmoto crew, that was the install of the 39mm Vertical Cycle Triple Trees. We did the 1/2" drop. Thank you guys for checking out. Quick little short. Be sure to check out vertical-cycles.com. These trees are currently not available, but if you hit them up via email, you might be able to snag a set. Also, be on the lookout for the actual official public drop. Shout out to everybody that bought a set for the pre-sale and used the CROOKSmoto 15 discount. And if you see anything else on vertical-cycles.com, be sure to use the discount, save yourself some money. All right, thanks guys.